Now, one other thing we're going to do to show some interesting tricks you can do with this really simple scene is we're going to create a jump cut. Now, what a jump cut is you'll have one particular shot. Let's say if we went from frame 1, and a jump cut would be within that same little timing without any kind of zoom or anything, we would instantly jump to a different look, like here. So that would be a jump cut. So we're going to create one on the timeline, and we're going to do this right before he says the unicorn's gaining on him. So we're going to scrub our timeline. And where we did our little moving camera, the keyframe stops right at about 80. So we're going to do a jump cut about right here. Now I want to do a simple thing of turning on our animate. And what I want to do is set up a keyframe. And we're going to set it up a little bit further here. And we'll simply do F6. Now, how we're going to handle the jump cut, we're going to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere afterwards. So we're just going to do a single keyframe. And if you wanted to do more than one jump cut, you would basically make sure that this is set to a stop motion keyframe. That way, if you put a keyframe right after it, you won't see any tweens here. So let's do Command Z. So I'm also going to come here and going to make this a stop motion keyframe. And the second keyframe is where our jump cut's going to be. So I'm going to select our translate button in our advanced animation tools. And I'm going to move the camera a lot closer. And go to our camera view. And now if we play this out.
Unicorn gaining on me.
All right. So now we'll go ahead and click play.
And I'm feeling like a one-legged man on a unicycle trapped on a carousel. And I swear that unicorn's gaining on me. And I'm feeling like a one-legged man on a unicycle trapped on a carousel. And I swear that unicorn's gaining on me.
And that is our jump cut. So you can do some really cool tricks just by adding a camera in. So we've got the moving camera, the little handheld action, but we can also do jump cuts. Another place you could use jump cuts would be if you're doing a type of newscast or a scene like that. So you could jump from character to character and moving the camera around and panning back and forth.